A body is dropped from rest. The displacement in the last second is 5/9 of the total displacement. The height from which the body has been dropped is. Now, if you look at your equation, the ratio that we obtained is equal to g by 2 into 2t minus 1 whole divided by half gt square. This is the ratio of the displacement in the nth second to total displacement or height. He says that this ratio is 5 by 9. So, 5 by 9 is equal to g by 2 into 2t minus 1 whole divided by half gt square. So, 5 by 9 is equal to g and g cancel, leaving 2t minus 1 divided by t square. So, we can simplify this one. We get 5 t square minus 18 t plus 9 is equal to 0. So, this is your equation describing the total time of the journey. If you simplify it, we get t is equal to 0.6 seconds and t is equal to 3 seconds. So, now we can find out the value of the height. We can find out the value of the height. So, how do I do that? H is equal to ut plus half at square or half gt square. Half at square we can substitute for that. H is equal to, that is minus h is equal to, this is 0 plus half minus g into t square, that is 9, or h is equal to half into g. We can take g as 10 and this is 9. So, this turns out to be 45 meters. Therefore, the height of the tower or the height from which the body has been dropped is 45 meters.